Hello, nice to meet you. And now I will tell you about pointer. So far we have seen that a variable is used to store a value. Variables will allow the programmer to directly manipulate the data in the memory. A pointer variable, however, does not store a value, but it just stores the address of the memory space, which the memory space contains the value that directly points to a specific memory address. Why we want to use the pointers? The first one is to call a function. To call a function by reference or else, so that the data will pass to the function and change inside the function. The second one is to create a dynamic data. To create a dynamic data structure which can grow larger or smaller as necessary.
How about variable declaration? Okay, a variable declaration such as integer number equal 20 causes the compiler to allocate a memory location for variable number and store it the integer value 20. This absolute address of the memory location is readily available to our program during the runtime. The computer uses this address to access its content.
Pointer declaration. First, general format, data type pointer name. Second, a pointer declaration such as integer number, declare number variable to an integer variable. It has memory address. And third, it indicates that variable being declared is pointer variable instead normal variable.
Pointer declaration count. Consider the following declaration: int star number pointer number is equal to 20. In this case, two memory addresses have been reserved in the memory, namely the number pointer and number. The value in variable number is of type integer and the value in variable number pointer is an address for another memory. Pointer initialization. To prevent the pointer from pointing to a random memory address, it is advisable that the pointer is initialized to 0, null or an address before being used. A pointer with the value null points to nothing. Initializing a pointer to 0 is equivalent to initializing a pointer to null, but the null is preferred.
Pointer operator. Okay, when a pointer is created, it is not pointing to any valid memory address. We need to assign it to variable address by using the reference operator. Okay, look at this example. Okay, first line we declare the variable that is integer number equal to 20. In the second line we declare the variable integer star number ptr. In the third line we assign that number ptr equal to the address at the first line. Okay, if we want to print out the output using at the fourth line, that is printf number equal the %d and we declare the star number ptr. Okay, when we declare star number ptr, we can see that the number is a 20. Okay, if we at the fifth line, we can see if we print number ptr equal to the %d and we declare the variable is number ptr, we don't put the star like at fourth line. And if we not put the star, the output will be number ptr equal to 2358852. That is a address of a variable of 20. Okay, after that we can see that graphical representation. Okay, first at here we can see that they have a two. We can see that they have two home. First home is that's name home is star number PTR, and second home if the number. Okay, both home have a address. Okay, the star number PTR have address 11111111, and the second home that number is have a address 11001100. Okay, for that at the first we can see that it's a integer int star number PTR number 20, and it don't have any field in the star number PTR because it's only a declaration. Okay, at the second, it say that the number PTR equal to the reference operator, a reference operator of number. Okay, at the second, it declare that number PTR is equal to reference operator number. Okay, we can see that at the home of the star number PTR, it's filled with the address of the number 20, that is 11001100. Okay, because of that, home of star number PF can access the data of the data in the home of the number. That is the function of the pointer.
Pointer operator and star. First, after a pointer is assigned to a particular address, the value in the pointer address can be accessed or modified using the star operator. Second, this operator is commonly called as the indirection operator or the referencing operator. Third, the star operator returns the value of the object to which its operand point. And star are inverse operation, and star x equivalent to star n, and this lead back to the original value. Example, assume that the address of num is 1245052, and this is example of pointer operator and star.
Parameter passing by reference. A function may return multiple values by declaring their former parameters as pointers variables. This way of passing the argument is known as call by reference. When the value referenced by the pointer is changed inside the function, the value in the actual variable will also change. Therefore, we can pass the result of the function through the function argument without having to use the return statement.
When a pointer is passed to a function, we are actually passing the address of a variable to the function. Since we have the address, we can directly manipulate the data in the address. In the case where a non-pointer variable is passed, the function will create another space in memory to hold the value locally while the program is inside the function. Therefore, any change to the variable inside the function will not change the actual value of the variable. Steps to pass the value of variable by pointers between two functions. First, declare the variable that is meant to return a value to the calling function as a pointer variable in formal parameter list of the function. Second, when to call the function, use a variable together with address operator n.
Guys, you must take note about the effect of the previous two actions is same as the effect of the declarations. The second one, the declaration function with pointer parameter appropriately in a function prototype by using symbol star. Star means you multiply it as a prefix for pointer parameters.
Okay, let's have a look to one example. Okay, first of all, we can see here we have a function prototype. Okay, let's have a look for the word function, word main. this one. Okay, we declare A as 8 and B as 9. So printf before function is called, A is %d, B is %d. As we can see, this one just A and B. So we just recall back this number, which is 8 and 9 for the output for the first one. Okay, for the second one, you can see it declares the function 1 is A and B. So printf, let's have a look first at the function 1, which is here. Okay, what function 1, int A and int B. So A we declare as 0 and B as 0. So printf, the value inside the function 1, A %d, this one will become the 0 and 0. So this one will not save in the value of the address or the value of each. So the function after function 1 is called, A will become 0, will recall back as A 8 and B as 9, because this one have any sign of n or star. For this one, the next one, printf before function 2 is called, A will become this one, will recall back the 8 one, and B will recall back the 9 one. So function 2, as we can see here, has n sign, which is we call the address, and also for the B1 has n sign, which is we call the address, and also for the B1. So let's have a look for the function 2. Okay, we can see here they have star, so we'll store the value. So PA is 0, PB is 0. The value inside the function 2 %PA. So the function, the output for this one will become 0 and 0. Then it will save in here 0 and 0. Therefore, the output for the function after call is 0 and 0. That's all. That's why the output you can see here before function 1 is called, A 8 and 9. The value inside the function 1A is 0, B equals 0. After function is called, A still 8 and B still 9, because they don't have any n sign or star sign. Before function 2 is called, A we know 8 and B 9. The value inside the function 2, as we know, the value that's stored is 0, and for BB also 0. Then we return back to the address, and therefore the function 2 after call will become 0 and 0. That's all.